So why did you decide to implement standards?
We decided to implement standards initially because we wanted to benchmark ourselves against the highest externally verified standard that was available, which is the ISO standards. Because within our industry there is no benchmarking process, so it's difficult to judge the quality and the improvements that you're making. And we just wanted to prove that we were the best at what we do, and that seemed the best vehicle to do it. So that was the initial reason for us looking at standards.
How have you found implementing standards in the organisation?
Far better than I thought it was going to be, to be honest. From the original idea of wanting to benchmark ourselves, we didn't really have a clue what it involved. But from the very start that we started looking at systems and process, we found a massive benefit in the streamlining of all the individual processes we had in our organisation. So the effects on our operational efficiency were very quickly recognised and put into practice. So yeah, it's made a huge difference to the way we operate. The easiest part of implementing the standards was quickly recognising where we'd got the clutter and eradicating it. And that was pointed out to us very quickly by Phil Heath when he came in, as to where those problems lie. And when it's pointed out, it becomes very obvious. And the answer was simple flow charts to cut out all the unnecessary documentation. So we flow charted each area of the business, and what I thought was a complex business actually became very simple.
Has this been beneficial in winning any contracts?
Oh, it certainly has, yeah. We've gone after a number of major tenders recently and been able to demonstrate our applications in regard to British standards, certainly ISO 14001 and 9001, and the flow chart method of demonstrating our systems has been hugely beneficial in demonstrating competence and professionalism to the interested parties. And we've won a number of major tenders, I think, on the back of that, where we might not have won in the past.
Would you recommend Phil Heath to other organisations?
I certainly would. I'd recommend Phil to go and see anybody who's got a passion for excellence in the business. Because I think you need to have a passion to be best before you're going to really be serious about going after British standards. But if you are, then I think Phil's the man to go in and make the streamlining that's required in your business.